Hello, this is Team Trinetra from KV number 1 AFS Suratgarh, and our topic is from Atmanirbhar Bharat, and our project name is Smart Dams and Flood Prevention. It's an AI powered approach to water management. It has real time sensing, predictive analytics, autonomous options, and early warning systems. We also have what is dam? Dam is a modern digital technology to transform a static structure for dynamic water management system. और जो हमारे ट्रेडिशनल डैम्स थे और जो अब हमारे मॉडर्न डैम्स हैं, हमारे को बहुत ज़्यादा नीड है कि हम हमारे डैम्स को इम्प्रूव कर सकें. जैसे कैसे कर सकते हैं? इसके की कंपोनेंट्स होंगे. जो स्मार्ट डैम्स होगा उसका रियल टाइम सेंसिंग होगा, ऑटोनोमस ऑप्शंस होंगे जो ऑटोमेटिक गेट कंट्रोल और उसमें काम आएंगे, और इसमें एनालिटिक जो हमारा प्रीवियस डाटा जो स्टोर होगा कि कब वेदर के हिसाब से चेंज करना है या नहीं करना, वो प्रिडिक्टिव हो सकता है. ठीक है, और वार्निंग देगा अगर कोई फ्लड या फिर कुछ डिजास्टर आने वाला होगा. तो ऑल्सो ऑब्जेक्टिव्स होंगे स्मार्ट डैम के, वो इनहेंस फ्लड प्रिवेंशन, जो अगर फ्लड आने वाला होगा उसको फ्लड को अज्यूम कर लेगा एंड इट कैन इम्प्लीमेंट मैनी फंक्शंस रिगार्डिंग दैट. ऑप्टिमाइज वाटर रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट एंड टाइमली इफेक्टिव वार्निंग्स एंड इम्प्रूव डैम सेफ्टी. इट्स ऑल्सो इम्प्रूव सेफ्टी फ्रॉम डैम्स. And its materials required in this project are water level sensors, flow sensors, fiber optic sensors, and rainfall gauge. INSAR technology. Also processing and control hardware. The hardware we required in this are microcontrollers, actuators, and data transmissions to integrate this fully. Predictive analytics model, centralized monitoring, and alerting systems. Working principle, how it works in real time sensing. Water level sensors, flow sensors, and rain gauge are indicate regarding from previous data that how it should work and how it should prevent floods, and also it's an working early warning system, how it should work, and it alerts with SMS, emails, sirens, and also public platforms so that people are aware from the disasters. Its flow chart, how it works. The input sensors work. Firstly, the input sensors works and then continue monitoring, and from that, if flood and disaster should occur, the desired output should be yes. And if not occur, then desired output should be no. So its future scope. Digital with integration dams. What is digital twin? A virtual replication of a physical dam. It's in entire continuously, and it works on real-time updates, scenarios. Also, we have an app to implement this twin all over the country. Its conclusion is that all over that, its smart dams transform flood management, reactive and proactive, enhance safety, data-driven decisions, and climate resilience and improved efficiency. It should improve efficiency to that. Thank you.